Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I got another pocket knife to show you. This one is a Solingen, Germany Bear and Bull. See the tank stamp there on the coping blade. Then it's got a sheep's foot blade with a long nail nick. It says Solingen, Germany there. It's got the swedge. On the other side, you have another sheep's foot blade. And then you have a pin blade here. It's got synthetic kind of yellowish orange scales, and you got your Solingen badge there, nickel bolsters, brass liners, and just a beautiful knife to look at, really. Thanks for watching. Bye.